Friday Friendly Kitchen, and it is a spice powder and it's a roasted coriander powder. And so I'm going to show you all the techniques, and it's pretty simple. And also we start off by heating up the stove with medium high, and I have here 1 cup of the coriander seeds, and with this, and I'm going to drop off in, and we are going to start roasting them until it is fully fragrant. And viewers, now the coriander is getting roasted and the aroma is already rising, and I can smell it very well over here, and I'm going to continue roasting until it is well roasted. And now it should be ready in a minute or two, and after that we will let it cool off. And dear viewers, now we can remove it to a separate bowl until it becomes cold. And we will allow this to get cool, then it has to be grounded. And dear viewers, it's more than an hour, I left it extra, so this has already been cooled, well roasted and cool. Now we can grind them. So all we need to do is just transfer the whole thing into the jar, and then we can grind them to a fine powder. If you can't get a fine powder, that's fine, but we will try to get them as much finer as we can. When you see something different, just throw away, which we don't need. Now coriander seeds are ready to be grinded. Dear viewers, see how fine is the masala is, the coriander. So this is ready to cook, to use for all the cooking, and also you can store them in a container, but right now I just finished grinding, so it's pretty warm, so let it cool down, and I'm going to transfer it in the pie tray so that it will cool off even faster. So dear viewers, let this masala come to a room temperature, then after that we will bottle it up. And viewers, I have already prepared the bottle and also labeled it roasted coriander. And then now all we need to do is cook them up, transfer them into the bottle, and leave the bottle open for a while, and then we will close them and keep it in the fridge or in the outside, which is also okay, anything. And then you can use them for your curries and so on. In my house, I usually use a lot of coriander in my curries and in my masalas. And so I hope you will try this in your home as well. And viewers, our coriander powder is ready, and so now we can just cover it. And we have labeled it, and we know what masala powder is this. So do try this in your home and leave me a comment on this, how it turns out, and you can use them for many dishes. So let me know when you have finished making it, and if you have any question, do write to me. Thank you very much for following Friday Friendly Kitchen. For those who are new, welcome aboard. For those who are with me, thank you very much. And until then, I'll be signing off myself very soon. And also I would like to I do not know what am I going to cook, but I'll be coming back with another dish for you guys, a special delicious dishes. Thank you very much, and see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Signing off, Friday Friendly Kitchen.